The stories of my people are etched into the trees, whispered by the wind, and passed down through generations. I am Lycan, once a proud chief of my tribe, and I shall share with you the tale of how I became the cursed one, the werewolf. In the days of old, my tribe thrived. We were warriors, protectors of our land, and conquerors of our enemies. We stood united, our spirits intertwined with the beating heart of the earth. Our ancestors guided us, their wisdom lighting our path towards prosperity. We had conquered our enemies long before the foreigners arrived on great ships, driven by greed and power. These outsiders brought with them a different way, enticing us with their riches and promises of a brighter future. As a leader, I foolishly allowed their influence to seep into the depths of my spirit. Their greed consumed me, clouding my judgment and turning me into a monster. I did unspeakable things to my own people, blinded by desires that were not truly mine. But even the strongest spirit can only bear the weight of corruption for so long. And my people, recognizing my betrayal, turned against me. They cursed me, condemned me to a life of eternal torment. The curse transformed me into a shape-shifting demon, a savage reflection of my ancestor with the body of a wolf. I was Lycan, the demon wolf, with an insatiable appetite that can never be quelled. My people, desperate to rid themselves of the invaders, harnessed the power of my curse, using me as a weapon to obliterate our enemies. The invaders fell before me, but the curse exacted its toll on my people as well. On the full moon, their bodies twisted, and they too became slaves to their own hunger. In the light of dawn, I would return to my human form, forced to witness the devastation I had brought upon my own people. The weight of my host's grief became too much to bear, and he ended his own life, leaving me to wander in eternal purgatory. And so, I remain, forever cursed, tormented by insatiable appetites. The stories of my tribe, once filled with triumph and unity, are now overshadowed by the darkness I brought upon them. I am Lycan, the cursed one, the demon wolf, forever wandering in purgatory.